Hi. Okay, I'm going to teach you a really fancy thing on the piano that's really easy and it'll make you sound amazing. I call it the C Chord Extravaganza. Okay, for the C Chord Extravaganza, we're going to use a C chord. You can do this on any chord, but we find the note C with these two black keys and then slide down one. That's the note C. The way you do a chord is you just play C, you skip a note, play the next note, which is E, skip a note, then G. So C, E, G. Okay, now we're going to do that in the right hand, starting on this C. And the way you can find it easy is there's two empty keys in between your thumbs. See that and that right there? There's one, two. So you can find your place really easy. So I play the left hand chord, one note at a time, then the right hand. Okay, and we're breaking it up just one note at a time. Now the left hand is going to come take over exactly what my right hand just played. And play it again. And my right hand comes up here. We skip two white keys to the next C. C, E, G. And then when we finish, I just take my pointer finger like a rocket, ship over and land on C. So it's C, E, G. Okay, and I showed you just the amount that you can see on the camera. I'm actually going to go down lower. There's a C right down here. It's the same as this one, but here I do it for one more octave. That means I go down one more C. C. And then cross over. All right, and then if you hold the pedal down, hold the pedal down, and I'll show you a little pedal technique too. See, we get faster and faster. You can pedal through the entire thing. Just put the pedal down when you play your first note and hold it all the way through. Or every time you switch hands, you just pump the pedal. You lift it up and back down. Now up and back down. Up and back down. That's if you don't want it all blurred together. All right, I'm going to do it all blurred together and fast. But you just keep doing this over and over, like 15 or 20 times till you get fast. Okay, so then when you're playing a song,